when I was going through this tough time in terms of work and all this, I always used to ponder about what is the real meaning of life. And then I figured out an answer for myself, but I want to hear from your side because I've seen a lot of
Meaning of life.
posts. I mean, it's individually, everyone has a different meaning of life, right? So I just want to hear from you because I've seen a lot of posts, Instagram, you talking about the meaning of life and pondering about stuff. So have you actually, come to like this existential crisis, when you're nearing 30 and, all these things coming together, ask these questions when you're frustrated with things. So have you actually, I know you've thought a lot about it, but have you assigned a meaning to life?
I think it's a constant process throughout your life. You assign different meanings to it. So if you show me somebody who's assigned the same meaning or pretty much stuck to what they thought life was initially throughout their life, then I'm gonna probably ask him a few questions and get some insight on how he did it. I don't know not many people
Right.
have stuck to the same meaning that they found initially. It's a constant process. I'm still evolving, but I mean, how do I put it? I don't believe in a great purpose and things working out for you a certain way. I mean, I believe in science though. I am a strong believer of science. So I know that energy is real. I know that even though how random things may seem, there's still a science to that randomness. uh, I believe in all of that. But if you ask me, when you die, the curtain shuts, and that's it. End of story. There's nothing more. There's nothing, nothing for you to ponder.
Yeah.
So don't break your head trying to figure out life. Just take it in the stride. Live your life to the fullest is all I can say. Do not think about life. Do not try to understand life. We're just not cut out for that kind of our brain cannot compute that much information is what I believe in. And I think it's worked out fine for me. I'm not a sorrowful person. I'm not happy.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that I'm happy. I've never been happy. So that's just who I am. But I've never been sad, or it's just a constant state of being, state of existence,
Yeah.
if I could call it that. Yeah, so that's meaning of life from me. I'm sorry if I complicated it more for
No, no,
you,
no, no,
but
no, not at all, bro. I mean, the whole, point of me asking this was because at some point even I realized that when we try to find meaning to life, it just gets more, it just makes it even worse, when you start thinking of, what is the point of all this? And I think, like you said, it's too complex. You can't really do that. You should just take
your
life the
brain
way it
cannot
comes.
comprehend that much.
Yeah.
But like I said, all I'm going to say is this might be a little cryptic, because I don't see the point, or I don't feel it's right to influence somebody's thoughts on life, or influence somebody's idea about life. They should have their own perspective, is what I believe, and it's your own journey, not mine. I shouldn't be pointing you in a certain direction, which is why I have a major problem with religion and all these demigods and people who have the answers, people who say they have the answers. That's who you should be scared of.
Scared of,
Nobody
yeah.
has the answer to any of this. Rest assured, nobody has the answer to any of the questions that you're asking. Even the guy you worship, he probably doesn't have the answer for it. So that's just my thoughts. I think it's not right to point anybody in a certain direction. So the cryptic message that I want to give you is, energy is real, science is real. There's a lot of stuff that happens outside of our perception. There's a lot of stuff that we cannot perceive. So put all of this together and think of it what you may. I don't know. Just these are all small bits that you can probably take notes
Yeah.
from, or yeah.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I believe in a lot of the things that just said, and those realizations came in, just a, couple of years or something, when you look at it now. And when you think of all those things, you have things in perspective, and you understand what's really important, and things like that. Now, something that you said earlier was that you are not happy. If the another thing that I always try to achieve is happiness, right? But the problem with me again is that I have these desires in my mind that I'm never happy where I am right now. I have to push and, get something else and get something else after that. So it's like it's very hard to be an artist, probably,
happy.
and be happy. Reason being that you always have things you want to achieve, right? And when you lose that, when you think that, okay, I'm done, I'm good, maybe your art also doesn't push itself to get better, or it's just a thought that I've had. I think a lot of a lot of people who are successful are unhappy in some extent. I'm not saying depression and that kind of unhappiness, but they always have desires to go and get something and do that, and that's what makes you who you are, and you're an artist, and that's what it is. So I think it's very, very hard to find peace, or always be happy with where you are also, right?
I mean, first off, when I said I'm not happy, I didn't mean that I'm depressed, or
I
that
totally get that. Yeah.
that I'm sad, or that I'm just not. Again, the word that I'd use is emotionally constipated. I don't know if that's an actual word.
I think it is. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
So I don't. I think I've spent all of my emotions in the 30 years that I've lived, almost 30 years that I've lived. I'm content. I'm content with what I've done in life. I'm content with the music that I've made. I'm content with what I'm about to do. I'm content with this existence. But happiness is again a very subjective
thing. Yeah.
I mean, if you might think that I'm happy, but the way I perceive happiness would be entirely different from what you think is happiness. I think I'm gonna leave emotions aside and say I'm content. That would be the apt word for the question that you asked.
Yeah.
I'm content with the way things are, and I'm content with what's coming my way. That's all I can say.